Sorry.
That's okay. I like it. Dig it. I dig it a lot. Quentin
This is
King
a
here. Paul
big
at Music
bottom.
Villa, Bozeman, Montana. And this one's exciting. Speaking of Bozeman, Montana, this one is made right here in Bozeman, Montana. It does say Epiphone on it, but it is made right here in the Gibson plant, USA. This is the Frontier model, FT-110. The Frontier model, so this is a recreation. Back in, I don't know, it was late 50s or so. They made these, I think it was late 50s to 70s. I don't even remember now. I was not familiar with this guitar. So, you know, there's the, what was the last one we did? The Texan and the, those, I've seen those a lot, you know, the older versions of those. This one, I don't think I've ever seen one of these come through the store, like an original one.
Like an original.
Yeah. So, but what was cool about these back in the day, in the Epiphone, it was built in the Kalamazoo factory in Michigan. So it was built in the Gibson factory. And that's what's happening again. This is a recreation of that model, and it's built here in Bozeman. It's got kind of the cool cactus and
very
the
Western.
rado.
Yeah, it's got the lariat rope and then cacti, and it's a really beautiful. And I think what this guitar
flame maple
reveals again is that maple is not going to undermine the low end on your larger body guitars. In fact, it really helps balance it and clarify it, so it's not a muddy mess.
I love maple. I think maple is it's even a go-to for me on the small bodies. But on Dreadnoughts, it's very overlooked. Not too many people make a Dreadnought with maple back and sides.
Everybody wants mahogany and rosewoods and whatnot.
Correct. But, you know, the Dove is another Gibson model. It's red, and we don't sell them that often, but you play them, and they're like
they're boomy.
this. They're big,
boomy.
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, again, it's always subject to what you're listening through watching the video, but in the room, this is very deep. And it can be very loud if I dig in. So, I mean, to me, I'm just going to say, this sounds like it could be a really great bluegrass guitar. You know, coming from somebody who likes that genre. I can always tell,
because you always dig it. You always get a little excited there. But it's something else too. It's got this like kind of dry, muted, old sound too.
It's woody. It's you know, folks who play a lot of guitars, there's some that feel, you know, they might be loud and they might sound pretty good, but they still sound like they're constrained or something. I don't know if it's a function of freeing up a lot of overtones to really accentuate the tone of a guitar, or whatever the technical aspects of it is. But this one sounds very open. It's very free. And it just plays really nice. It's fun to play a guitar when you're hitting it and you can feel it kicking back a little bit, kind of like a, you know, quite a 12 gauge, but maybe like a 20 gauge.
Yeah, sure.
Kick.
You gotta have a little kick.
Yeah.
Or some kickers in your car, like some subwoofers.
Yeah, exactly. It's very big. Whoever gets this one's going to love it. You know, and of course, with the Frontier theme, you know, I want to think of like old cowboy songs.
Yeah.
So if you're a troubadour, you like singing old Western songs, and Gene Autry, that kind of stuff, I bet this would be a great guitar for you to
for anything.
Take to the campfire.
Country, Western, folk, rock. It's
cool. Both kinds of music.
Both kinds, yeah. Anyways, Quentin.
Yeah, the Frontier.
Thank you. The Frontier from Epiphone, made right here in Bozeman, Montana at the Gibson factory. Very cool guitar. And pick up in it. And also, you know, it comes in sunburst. So I think we have one of those on order as well. Come down, check it out. Subscribe. Watch us. Call us. Let us know. We're here. Thanks for watching.